Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. And today we will unbox. Yeah, and this is an unboxing that I've also missed because we'll unbox an SD. Yep, a Gunpla or a Gundam SD, and this is your MSN-02 Zeong from the SD Generation Neo, and this was made during 2002, and that is already 12 years. Yeah, no, alright, 24. Yeah, no, it's 22 years already. Yeah, this kit is already a 22-year-old kit, and you can see there we have some friends right here, RAT on our old house. The RATs that goes round and round in our house. It the part, and yeah, when I saw that, I'm so freaking out. And when I open it, yep, it's safe. Yep, the parts are safe. So now we'll open this. And when I saw this here on our new house right here and on my new man cave, I decided that I will build this first because yeah, the box are already like this. So yep, I think the kit shouts that it needs to be built right now. Okay, so I will not unleash, but unbox. I will unbox this and then I will proceed to the building after this. Okay, now let's see. Yes, now let's go first on the box. So as you can see, this is the MSN-02 Zeong, then the Zeong in an SD form or super deformed form. Then this is the SD Generation Neo, and that is a game. Yep, that's a game. And as I said in the early part, it's from the Bandai Spirits 2002, made in Japan, 22 years already. Then the side, let's go to the this side here, which you can see. Oh, what happened to that box? Okay, so this is the form of your Zeong in SD form. As you can see, it's very cute, but very menacing also. And then right here at the other side, yep, that's it. And then the other side right here, and because it has a blue logo already, it doesn't have a price above the barcode. And you can see here some details that we don't understand because it's Japanese. And right here, same at the front of the box. Now let's open this at the bottom because we will have first the manual. Yeah, we'll have first the manual. And thankfully, the manual is still okay. No damage inside, just the box, and that's okay. That's very, very okay for me. So we have here the manual. So that's the front of the manual. The Neo Zeong, very, very nostalgic kind of manual for an SD. So as you can see, this is like the SD manuals on the early 2000. Yeah, I'm not yet doing Gunpla on the time. I'm not yet doing vlogs. But yeah, Gunpla is already there, but still, I don't have the money for that. So yeah, let's have this. 2002, that's, I think I'm still on, yeah, I'm still grade 5. Yeah, grade 5, grade 4. Yeah, that's my age on the time. And this kid is already here. Wow, so old, man. And I feel so old too. Okay, so this is your instructional manual. So it's open. It has some colorful part, which yeah, it has that face of the Zeong right there, as you can see. Char Aznable in the anime, and then how Neo Zeong destroy all of the mobile suits that he sees. And this is the perfect Zeong right here. Yeah, that's the perfect Zeong. And right here is when it is in a, yep, it's on colored. Yep, I don't know if I will have stickers, but yeah, it's the Neos. This is the perfect Zeong. I don't know if it's, I can have some perfect Zeong. I want to have that. Okay, so right here, yeah, the different parts, how it flies. Then the perfect Zeong, which you need to have that feet. I don't know where can I get that feet. I want to have that because I also want to have the perfect Gundam, SD perfect Gundam. I have a perfect Gundam, but yeah, the perfect Gundam that I have is the very, very old. It's the, I think it's the 1998, 1997 kind of Gundam. And yeah, I don't want to remember how I painted that kit because yeah, it's not nice. Okay, so right here, the manual, yeah, still it's black and white. And still very easy to understand because it's an SD kit, very easy to understand and very easy to assemble. I think I just need how many days, but Yeah, how many days? Because if I will really build this one, I just need an hour, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, and I will be finished. But if I will put some details on this, I think I need 1 day. But I need to um, record every steps of the way because this banda I can have a speed build. So yeah, I think I will take 2 to 3 days on making this one because I need to film. Okay, so now let's have its packs. Let's have 1, 2, and 3 packs. Yeah, that's it. 3 packs, and we don't have any. Well, we have sticker, but it's only one. I think that's for just for the eyes. So are they really color separated? Wow, that's great, man. So let's open every pack right here. Let's go. Okay, so we have here your parts or your runners. So let's count how many runners we will have. We have 1, 2, 3. This is the polycups, and 4, and a wire. Okay, so that's the parts of an SD. So wow, very minimal. So yeah, wow. I think I will finish this early. Yeah. So we have here. So let's just go here randomly. I see this runner C, runner B. I think this is the runner A. So we have here the runner A. So we can know that the runner A is always, not always, sometimes, but yeah, more than often that we will have a runner A that have so many colors. So here the runner A, the red part, that's the horn, or they don't have a V-fin. It's not a V-fin. It's like an antenna for your Zeong. And then the green parts of the Zeong, and that is for the, so you can see there, the Zeong's incomplete feet or legs. And then the red parts. Hey, yeah, I can make the perfect Zeong right here. Because why? It give us the feet, man. Give us the feet right here. Maybe let's check it out. Let's check. Can really do it. Yeah, we can. Wow. So it's not just that the Zeong, or it's just the Zeong mode that we have here, but we can do the perfect Zeong here. Nice. Yeah, I'm surprised. So we have the feet for the perfect Zeong, the part, that's the butt. Yeah, I know. It's the waist part, the butt. I'm so excited for the butt. This one, the black one, it's the back part. No, it's not it's for the head. That's for the head, then it's for the hand. This is the boosters at the back. Yeah, that's for the butt. The bat boosters. Not the buck, but bat boosters. Then some connections here. Yeah, that's your runner A. And now let's have your runner B. So I think this is the runner B. Yep, this is it. It's the lavender kind of color. So that's the big butt. Yep. It's not a skirt, it's a butt for me. And yeah, wow, the detail right there. I want to detail that the tubings. I think I want that to be silver. Maybe because it will really take time if we will do the detailing. Okay, the hands, very nice. You just need some panel lines for this one, and you need to put something there to blacken that part. The head one, very nice, very crisp. Even it's Bandai, it's very crisp. All of the details is very nice. It's very sharp, very detailed, and you can see even here, it's very nice to have some panel lines right there, and right here also. Yeah, that's for the body, that's for the torso, the hand, and yeah, the head, the front and the back of the head. Wow, I'm getting excited in building this, even it's just an SD. Yeah, why I feel excited? Because it's an SD. It's very simple, very easy. Very easy. No, I built some SDs already, which is, it's not easy when the SD has so many stickers. Yeah, it's very hard to detail this SD. So we have here also. Wow, so yeah, we can really do the perfect Zeong. I think I want to post this in a perfect Zeong. Wow, that's the runner C. And after the runner C, we'll have a polycups. That's it. The polycups. Do I need to discuss the polycups? Okay, and the wire. That's the wire also that we need for the Zeong's hand manipulation, or the wired like not a psycho. I forgot what is the term for that. Yeah, I like this one, so you can see here. So that's our unboxing of our Neo Zeong, and I'm very surprised that you can do the perfect Zeong on this SD. Wow, that's very nice. It's a very nice kit, and wow, it's like two birds in one stone right here. Okay, so that's our unboxing. So I will put it back here, the box right here. And yeah, that's our unboxing for the MSIN-02 Zeong, or we can really call this one as a perfect Zeong because it has the parts to build the perfect Zeong. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so to be informed for my next videos. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake La Paz signing off, and Gabler Show signing off. Speed build, we've done unboxing, quick look, and a full review for this kit next time.